Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about elements of design, an important topic for all the design and architecture entrance exams. So let's see what elements of design are. Elements of design is a language through which we can represent visual art. Just like when we talk, write, we take help of words, sentences, expression, etc. Similarly, when we create any visual art, we require some props or tools. These tools are known as elements of design. There are 7 elements of design. First one is line, then shapes, forms, space, texture, value, and color. Let's take each of them one by one. Line is the first element of design. There are many kind of lines: straight lines, zigzag lines, dotted lines, curved lines, thick or thin lines, dashed lines, etc. It is a very important element of design. It is used to create other elements like shapes, forms, texture. Without the use of line, it will be very difficult to make any composition. Here are some examples of how lines are used to make different compositions and how it is important to create any composition. The second element of design is shapes. Shapes are usually referred to two-dimensional area which is created by line. Shapes are only created when the end of the line joins. Shapes can be geometrical or abstract. The next element of design is forms. Forms refers to three-dimensional shapes like cubes, cylinders, prism, spheres, etc. Both 2D shapes and 3D shapes are equally important to create either a composition or to create any art in other fields of art. The next element of design is space. This element of design occurs between the other elements like form, shapes, colors, line, etc. It provides perspective, dimension, and volume to a composition. Space can be both positive or negative. Both plays an important role in success of any work of art. The next element of design is texture. Texture means how object feels when it is touched or it may feel it if it is touched. There are two kinds of textures: tactile texture and visual texture. Tactile texture refers to the actual texture of the surface. You may find this kind of textures on sculptures or collage. Visual textures refers to how surface appears or look through vision. Textures can be of many kinds: smooth, rough, hard or soft, woven or bumpy, or irregular or regular. The next important element of design is color. Color creates mood and emphasis. This element contains multiple characteristics like hue, shade, tint, tone, and saturation. Let's discuss all this in brief. Hue refers to the purest form of color. Shade is created by adding black to the hue. It is the darker version of hue. Tint is created by adding white to the hue. It is a lighter version of hue. Tone is created by adding gray. And saturation refers to the purity of the color, that is, when the color is most intense, but not by adding black or white. This is an example of how any work of art gets enhanced by adding color to it. Hence, it is a very important element of design. The next element of design is value. Value refers to degree of lightness and darkness of a specific hue. For example, yellow has a higher value than purple because it is close to white. Any work of art uses different tonal values to create emphasis. Value also defines the spatial relationship between the other elements of design. So we have discussed elements of design here: lines, shapes, forms, space, texture, color, and value. These elements are very important props or tools to create any work of art and composition. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel if you like the video. Thank you. Bye.